You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. Today, we're comparing sea freight and air freight for a California to UAE household move. The choice is not simply about speed. It's about the size of your household, the date you need belongings, your temporary housing plan, and the role each shipment plays in your transition. Sea freight is usually the main solution for a full household. It can carry furniture, larger household goods, and the belongings that will make your UAE home functional once you are settled. A full container may suit a larger shipment, while a shared container option can work for smaller volumes. Air freight is best used selectively. It can help when you need a limited set of essential belongings sooner. But a faster shipment is only valuable when you have clearly identified what you need before the sea shipment arrives. For many households, that means a few essentials rather than a larger duplicate shipment. Keep the most important items with you. Passports, medications, critical documents, valuables you are personally carrying, and immediate necessities. This will protect you from relying on freight timing for items you cannot be without. A survey is where the decision becomes clear. It identifies the household volume, furniture, fragile items, artwork, electronics, and any special packing requirements. It also lets you compare options based on your real shipment instead of a rough estimate. Documentation should be prepared before packing. UAE custom procedures can depend on the destination, residency status, visa, inventory, and other shipment-specific factors. Your moving coordinator can help identify the usual paperwork, but customs authority decide clearance. Finally, prepare for delivery, high-rise buildings, security procedures, service elevators, time windows, and even parking can all affect the final stage. Confirm these conditions before the shipment arrives. Sea freight moves the home. Air freight supports the first weeks. The right plan can use both, but each should have a clear purpose. SDC International Shipping coordinates California outbound household good moves to the UAE, including packing, sea freight, air freight, specialty shipping, insurance options, and storage. Give us a call at 877-339-0267 or visit our website, sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.